Hello everyone, welcome to this small demo of the Digitizer Pro version. I have released 1.3. First of all, I share the links in comment so you can download it from the share folder. I have started right now. Okay, go to download anyway. Okay, it takes some time so I can pause it. Okay, let's continue. Here you can see the zip file is already downloaded, so I can extract at here. After extractions I can run it. Okay, so this is a warning message from the Windows because it's not an MSI install, it's a standalone executable. So you can click on more info and run it anyway. So here you can see the login window is already open. So if you are not already registered, you can register directly like this. So you can enter your mail ID at here. For example, I can input my own. So okay, uh, let's start the registration first. So you can also use this email ID to if you have any query or if you require any support, you can mail me on this email ID. Okay, I can try again. Okay, I can start it again. Okay, registration is successful right now. So I can enter my username and password. You can check the remembers for if you want it. Okay, this is a soft so it's a basic. Okay, I can rearrange it. Yeah, so here is a setting. In setting you can first see the confidence threshold. It's most of the time used for the accuracy. If you use less, then maybe the chances is the data your data is going to mm, it's too noisy like this. So you can set your tile size. So if your image is too much heavy, then you can use a larger size. So if here is a range for the max or min overlap. So snap for uh, your detected line, it get automatically snap at the distance of this 5 pixel. Here is the number of cycle. It's up, so of course it's detection or segmentation cycles. So number of times it's run again and again to get all the retake all lines. And it's a zoom factor. uh, if you keep as original, then you use 1, or you want too much accurate, then you can 2 3 like this. So I can keep as it is, it's standard from my side. uh, Again, here is the two modes. First of all, for the single image, you can process one by one, or here is a batch mode, so you can directly load the folder and you can get an output. So here is the layer view. For the right now there is no data. Okay, so I can start from the batch size. So here is my batch folder. Okay, save the directory for the output. Here is a no location. Okay, and then start. So there is two image, and it's starting work. Okay, it's time, it's not take that too much time, so I can continue it. Okay, okay, both two images already processed. You can, I can, here is output location. The first one is image number 2, image number 3, and there is um, shapefile. So you can also use your already georeference image also. It's also work at in this version. Now I can go for the uh, single image. I can choose this image number 1. So it's look like this. Save directory. Okay, can use new one, new folder. Okay, set, start. Okay, you can see the number of polygons generated with 2 cycles. So it's look like this. uh, Most of the parts is remain unconnected, so there is an issue. Okay, here is the edit mode. Once edit mode is on, then you can see the vertex is mm, open in vertex is visualize in a circle or white circle. So here is a tool for the reshape. So you can move the vertex at any location. Here is a snap. So you can also use for the increase or decrease the snap distance in a pixel also. Okay, here is a add lines. So if you solve this by manual method, then you can do like this. Okay, after add some few lines, you can hit the save button, then polygon will be automatically generated. Then again I can use some. So here is a reshape is good for this type of adjustment. Okay, so major changes in these versions. In the last versions, there is don't have any attribution. Suppose you want to add this label, so this is not happen in a last version. But right now, I have added this one. So you can see the here is the attribute table. So you can open, show the label. The label is um, okay in this field. I can save it. So you can see like all the label id. It's auto generated, so you can also edit it. The symbol, go to label, double click it, and it will be zoom into the that polygon feature, and you can edit it 155. After editing you can save it, so automatically you can say the label will be changed here. So it's take too much time, I guess. So I can, if your number is like in this in a serial manner, so I have add this one another function. So here is my series start from 461, so I can enter it here 461 up to 480, 480, and hit the generate. After generate, this type of uh, number series uh, label is generated at here, and it's one by one I can move and drag to this polygon directly. Now 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 67, like this. So instead of adding one by one in an attribute table, this is a quick way to drag and drop at the polygon. So before doing this activity, you must sure about that your all the polygons is already generated uh, or well edited. Okay. So after that, dragging, update the spatial join. So automatically you know the spatial join and hitting it. So all the levels is inserted directly into the attribute table. Then you can check it here also. Mm, okay. So after the click on save, it's all the save file, it's rewrite, and we can check again it in our QGIS software. So it's working or not. I think this one is okay. I can label it. Okay, let's see. So here is all the number is whatever we can drag and drop and do the special joining. So likewise this, it's all get updated. So there is no required to, you can use the any other software for the edit the numbers. Mm, Back to the our tool. Uh, Now another here you can check the layers. Uh, the last versions there is no any options for the once you can run the batch mode and output data is not inserted again into this tool. So in these versions I can manage it. Now you can add the batch processing. So I can select 2 and shapefile on the 2. So you can see, so this much proper polygon generated, and you can also edit it here. I plan to do this QC by auto mode. So I have added one function, but right now it's an under process, under development process. So it's work like this. So, okay. So same thing. You can, if you want to add the number, directly go and enter the number. So 145. Then 147. 147. Save. You can check the show the attribute table or level. So it's same. So you can check again in QGIS. Okay, whatever you inserted a text is already given it here. So yes, it's uh, still is not that much accurate, but slowly I can do it. But some black and white images, it's pretty good for the detections. For example, I can use image 3. Okay, so you can see at here to 70 to 80% polygon it's already done. So if you are missing, so I request to all the GS personnel, so you can try this uh, tool to utilize this, test it and give me a feedback. Thank you.